Hi investors, welcome to Watch Stock Market Watch June 17th. This is Michelle, and during my video I will give you a general idea what's happening in the US and Canada stock market today. And I will analyze this based on the fundamental analysis and also technical analysis. This means that I will show the chart and tell you how to analyze by the technical analysis knowledge, and hope that video could help you about your investment in the stock market. Okay, first let's see the US market today. And for the US stocks flow, captain a rocky week when all the train all the traders focus on the consequence of coming UK vote on whether to stay in the EU, and the UK vote will be happening on June 23rd. So the trader described an easy climb in the stock market Friday following a string of losses. As of June 8, the S&P 500 have been up 3.7 percentage for 2016. The index had bared those gains at the Friday's close to be up 1.3 percentage this year. Also, since June 8th, oil price have fell back below the 50 a barrel, and the yield on the 10-year Treasury notes on Thursday sank to their lowest close since the August 2012. So most of the traders and the analysts said they don't expect much good thing will happen in the coming week. And so on Friday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 57.94 points, or by the 0.33 percentage, and closed at 17,675.16, and that's putting it 1.1 percentage lower for this week. And the S&P 500 slipped 6.7 points, or 0.33 percentage, and closed at 2071.22 points, leaving it down 1.2 percentage for this week. And for the Nasdaq also fell to 44.58 points, or 0.92 percentage, and finally closed at 4,800.34 points. And from the technical part, we're back to the okay. Okay, for the S&P 500, and from the chart we can see it very clearly. And after yesterday I told you they go this is the candlestick button. It's called button needle candlestick, and today they didn't create new low than yesterday, even though they have a capital flowing out. So that means at that position the S&P 500 will going the S&P 500 will going already finished the bottom area, and they didn't create a new lower, and today is going a sideways with yesterday. And from the capital part, we can see it very clearly. From the capital part, still have money flowing out, but the amount of money flowing out is only the half of yesterday. So that means the strange to going down maybe have a little bit stable, and they didn't create new low. As they didn't create new low, we can see the bottom area is already built. So this is S&P 500. And for the Canada market, and from Canada market today have a 36 points up, and have 0.40 percentage up, and close at 13901.77. It's because the oil price is have a little bit rebound. Yesterday is the lower price is near the 46, and but today is closed at $48 a barrel. And from the technical part, as I told you yesterday, and here the Canada also have the same candlestick pattern, and today they not create new low, they even have a increase, because the most important support position is as the blue bars showing. So it's get the support from the blue bar, and right now it's have the attention to going up. And another side from the capital part. For the capital part also it's similar with the US market. The money is still flowing out, but you see this link of the break link of today is quite high. When the break link have quite high, it normal will change to another way. So that means that maybe the money flowing out is almost to the end. You see, we know all the history is like that. When the break line is become longer and longer, so the money flow direction maybe will have a change, and the change possibility is bigger when the break line is longer. Still, as right now, from the trend, from the resistance and support angle, we can see it's getting the support at that position. And also from the capital part, it's money flowing out, maybe it's almost at the end. So the chance of Canada market have a little bit chance regarding for the oil's price coming up a little bit. But right now the most is all about the UK's world. So over the past week, polls showing tightening raising the British vote weighted on such risky assets as the stocks and oil, while fitting price of German government bonds and gold, as uncertain about the outcome and its consequence for Europe wrapped the cross-global market. So the vote of UK is quite important for the global market right now, and so the vote will happen on the 23rd. So the 23rd is next Thursday. So before the next Thursday, I think all the global market is waiting for the result. Most likely will go in the sideway or no direction. And the chance for the money flowing out, like right now, is the most likely. Okay, so this is today's stock market watch. If you have any good suggestion, you can write me the email. If you want to get the video by free, you can follow my Facebook. My Facebook is Initial Stock Market Watch Michelle Wang. So this is a Friday, and thank you to watching it, and hope you have a very nice weekend. Okay, bye.